Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to hard reset your Android 15 beta phone to factory defaults via Settings app. To reset your phone to factory defaults in Android 15 beta, go to Settings, then scroll down to System. Now, in System, find Reset Options and click on Erase All Data. Then click on Erase All Data again to confirm. Click again, and it should start. Factory resetting. It may take a while. And after a while, you're welcomed with welcoming screen, and you can configure your device. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.